Highlight.
3-2.
I'm Tristan, Purdon, number 41. My year's been pretty good this year. Started off with a win in PE. Carried that momentum onto round 2, going 1-1 in Cape Town, so that was good. And then Bloem had an alright day, wasn't the best. Came out with the 4th. Kept the championship lead. That's the main goal this year, is to get this championship done. And today first moto was a bad start, and just rode my race, and I think I finished 4th in the first, third in the first moto. And then the second moto was survival. I was just trying to keep it safe. The sunlight was bad, but it was the same for everyone. And yeah, I came out with 2nd and finished 3rd overall, and kept added more points to the championship. And that's the goal, is just to keep that red plate going the whole year. Round 5 is in Purdon, so it's going to be sea level, so the bike's going to be more powerful, and it's going to be good. I'm keen for that one. I'm putting in the work, and I'm hungry for a win again. I'm itching for it again, so it's time now. I do off-road as well, so I've got an off-road race in Botswana, so that's going to be quite exciting. First time in Botswana and doing off-road, and yeah, just moto is life at the moment, and just having fun. I want to thank Yamaha, Monster Energy, Tin Swallow, my mom and dad, everyone behind me, Warwick. They all put in so much work, and I can't thank them enough for everything they do for me. Thank you. Catch me on Instagram at Tristan Purdon 41, Facebook Tristan Purdon, and even Snapchat TP_41. Hi, I'm Tristan Purdon, and you're watching ESA.
3, 2, 1, let's go.
Hi, I'm Tristan Purdon, and you're watching EAC.
ESA. Just 3 letters, ESA.
ESA.
Yeah.
ESPN.
Yeah.
ESA.
Yo, because they're going to say, you watching ESP? What?
Is it ESA?
Yo, ESA.
Okay.